Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Tech World Cambodia. Today I'm going to unbox the new AirPod second generation of Apple. Okay, actually I was waiting for the second generation because I was expected to have the black color of it, and then I can adjust the volume up and down without using the Siri, but it's quite disappointing because there's no black color, and also I cannot adjust the volume. Anyway, it looks quite good here, and so without any delay, let's get started and see what is inside. Okay, so this is the brand new AirPod second generation. So let's see what's inside. Okay, designed by Apple in California. This is, as always, what we can see in the box from Apple. And here is, let me put this away. Here is some instruction how to set up the AirPod. Okay, and let's see what's in more. Okay, here just some information. There's no sticker inside the Apple sticker, guys. There's no inside. Okay, so this is the new AirPod itself. Wow, it's quite nice, guys. It's so small. Like, look, if compared to this, it's almost the same size. Oh, that's cool. Oh my god. Okay, so anything else? Okay, so the Apple also give us the lightning cable. Okay, it's quite expensive, the cable itself. Okay, so the AirPod, let's see. This one is not the wireless charging case because I feel like I don't need it, because you know I'm not into the wireless charging. So yeah, so as you can see, here is the brand new AirPod, and it's quite small. It comes with the lightning case, and there's the button at the middle. And then let's open it. Oh, it feels so good, guys. Look, wow. And let me just take it out. Wow, it is actually the same size as let me compare to the this one. Okay, like this one. Look, if we compare together, is okay. Let me take another one. Okay, so here, like I think here's the microphone, and this one it doesn't have. And yeah, and the size is quite similar. It's just a little bit bigger here, but yeah, it's quite fine, you know, because of the wireless and something like this. So so this is amazing, guys, and I can say that I really love this, and it's so amazing. Okay, so because this is just the unbox video, so I will just end this video here, and for the review video I will try to make it as soon as possible. And if you enjoy this video, please don't forget to subscribe to our channels, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.